Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a slow shutter stop motion effect in DaVinci Resolve. This effect gives your footage that distinctive dreamy look where motion appears both smooth and slightly stuttered at the same time, perfect for music videos or creative projects. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and load up the project you want to work on. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Fusion. This is where all the visual effects magic happens in DaVinci Resolve, and it's the workspace we'll be using to build this effect from scratch. Now that you're in Fusion, you'll notice a node-based interface. Click on Median In on the nodes, which is your starting point for adding effects. With that selected, press Shift and Space on your keyboard simultaneously. This opens up a search bar that lets you quickly find any tool in Fusion. Type in stop motion into the search box, and when it appears in the results, click on it and then click Add. This tool is essential because it controls how often frames repeat, giving you that characteristic stop motion stutter. Next, look to the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. This panel is where all your controls and settings live. You'll see the stop motion effect now appears there. Find the option labeled Frame Repeat and input a number like 8. This number determines how many times each frame repeats before moving to the next one. Keep in mind that the ideal number depends on your specific video clip and the look you're going for, so feel free to experiment with different values. Now click again on the stop motion node to make sure it's selected, then press Shift and Space on your keyboard once more to bring up that search bar again. This time search for frame average. Click on it when it appears and click Add. The frame average tool is what creates that smooth, blurred motion between the repeated frames, mimicking the way a real camera captures motion blur with a slow shutter speed. Frame average will now appear on the right side in your inspector panel. Make sure that sample direction is set to backward. This ensures the blur trails behind the motion rather than leading it, which looks more natural. Then in the frames field, input a number like 15. This controls how many frames are blended together to create that motion blur effect. Again, feel free to adjust this value depending on what suits your video best. Higher numbers create more blur, while lower numbers keep things sharper. Play back your footage to see the effect in action. You've now created a slow shutter stop motion effect that combines the rhythmic, stuttered look of stop motion with the smooth motion blur of a slow camera shutter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.